18 below zero. The vehicle's been sitting here all day while I've been trucking. 2000 Ford Excursion with a 5.9 Cummins in. Cold start. You go and you try it. It doesn't start. It goes one roar. So then you get out the jumper cables. It had like 10 volts in it when I got in it, 11. But when I put the grid heater on, it dropped down to 9. See if we can get it to start now. Apparently my anti-theft isn't happy all of a sudden. Down to 10.5 volts. Grid heater's on. I don't think it's gonna go. Well, she wouldn't go with the grid heater. Let's forget about the grid heater. Try the Happy Juice. If I can get the air filter off. Give it a little break. Try it again. Finally got it to go. I had to set down the camera, but it is not happy. Give you a listen to the exhaust.